Today I got a very long awaiting ratchet and I got it from a local dealer, which is not easy to get those ratchet from him because he is so called a dealer, but he doesn't have much stuff in his truck. Anyhow, I got this ratchet and I'm really amazed at how heavy duty this ratchet is. The feel is really good and the shiny chrome finish is amazing. Although I'm big fan of industrial look like those German made tools, but this shiny chrome finish is not that bad. And I can understand why mechanics like those shiny chrome tools because it looks really nice. Look at this ratchet, it's really amazing. And it is also not comfort grip, so it become more beautiful actually. Well, I'm also a big fan of comfort grip ratchets, but this looks really nice. And the advantage of this bare handle ratchet is that you can put pipe on it and then you can use more force or get more leverage. Anyhow, let's look into the ratchet in detail. The handle is really nice and the ratchet is heavy duty. Here, these are those grooves. I think it's for the grip. Well, it helps a bit, I guess. Yes, it's really nice. And here it says made in USA, like USA stamp and the part number. It's really amazing ratchet. And the shiny chrome finish is really consistent overall. Of course, this is one of the best brand in the world. It's got this metal selector switch on and off, it says here. And it's really nice and it get engaged really easily, but it's not recessed like other ratchet. For example, here I have Stahlwille ratchet and these are a bit recessed. Or if we look at this ratchet from Hazet, it is also recessed. But this is not recessed, but this is how snap-on ratchets are made for pretty long time. And the back of the ratchet head is pretty neat and snap-on USA stamped. Really nice screws from the back side of the ratchet. Really nice. And there's some information on this side of the ratchet. Now, if you listen this, it's really quiet and smooth. Man, this is a really smooth ratchet. Gear teeth are 80 and it's amazing. Okay, let's test some socket. Here I have got Bahco socket and these are not just normal sockets. These are made in USA. I have made a couple of videos about made in USA socket for the Bahco, and I guess these are made by Snap-on. The finish is exactly same as Snap-on sockets. Okay, let's test the socket. Well, it fits really nice, very little wobble. Of course, there is some wobble, which is pretty normal, but it has a very tight fitting. Very smooth mechanism. I really like the smooth mechanism of this ratchet. It's amazing. It's a premium brand and there is no wonder these are really amazing ratchet. Now, if we just quick compare this ratchet with other brands, for example, we have already Stahlwille, Hazet. This is similar ratchet from Bahco actually, and I don't have like normal regular ratchet from Facom, so I just brought in here just for the comparison. Now let's look at those two ratchets. The head size is almost similar, but I would say that the Stahlwille ratchet head is little thinner, almost same but little thinner, and of course the selector switch both are little different. It is recessed and it's not recessed, but Stahlwille has little smoother mechanism. Snap-on one is little stiffer, ratchet in a tight space, so it's not easy to engage. I mean, it has little force which resists to change the selector switch direction accidentally, whereas it is a bit smooth, and if it touches somewhere in the narrow spaces, it gets changed. So it's not a big difference, but just to know what are the pros and cons of stiff selector switch. Well, if you look at the ratchet, both are bare handle ratchet. Stahlwille is a bit longer. Let's check the length actually. Snap-on ratchet is 26 centimeter and it's 26.5 centimeter from Stahlwille. So it's not a big difference, it's just a half centimeter difference. Stahlwille ratchet is also smooth, and I would say Stahlwille is smoother than the snap-on one, although it's a bit noisy though. Okay, let's look into another ratchet. Hazet ratchet is also a bit longer, no wonder, because it is a comfort grip. I like comfort grip ratchets, but snap-on also provide comfort grip, and which is quite big actually. If we compare with the comfort grip handle, I don't have the ratchet from snap-on with comfort grip, but these are a little smaller, which I like it at. Not big, not very small, so it's really perfect for in my hand actually. Now look at the selector switch. Hazet one is also stiffer, almost similar if we compare both, in my opinion. It's a bit bigger, but it's recessed. Snap-on one is not recessed. Of course, quick release function. There is also another ratchet from Snap-on with similar specs. Hazet also have a ratchet without quick release function. I mean, those are really good and those are heavy, but I feel that Snap-on is a bit heavier. If I see that, I don't have a weight machine, so I could see that, but Snap-on feels a little heavy. Gear teeth in Hazet are 90, which are finer than the Snap-on one, so it has a smaller return angle. The gear mechanism on Hazet are a bit noisy but also smooth, but I would say Snap-on one is little smoother than the Hazet one. Let's check this ratchet. Well, this is very interesting ratchet actually. Both have similar internals, exact same to be precise. Both have 80 gear teeth in this ratchet. This is made in Spain and this is made in USA. Well, almost similar mechanism, almost similar head size. And if you see here, it's exactly same, but it is flat shaft and it has rounded shaft. Of course, this is comfort grip. Both are nice ratchet, both are heavy duty. Snap-on feels a little heavier in my opinion. And let's check the mechanism. Exactly same feeling. Exactly same feeling. And if you look at those parts here, also those are exact same, except the screws are here on the back of the ratchet in Snap-on, and in here the screws are mounted in here, this side. And those letters are also similar. There's no difference, except it says here US patent, and in here it says patent pending. Replace worn parts. It says here, and it says here also replace worn parts. I mean, I don't know. Maybe they import those internals from Snap-on, I guess. But this ratchet is made in Spain, so I have no idea how they make it. And this is, of course, extendable ratchet from Facom. I love this ratchet. The versatility is amazing. You don't need 2 or 3 ratchets. For example, you can change the length. But this is what I like. It's really amazing, and it's flex head also. But just wanted to show the comparison, how it looks in the finishing, and it is shiny chrome finish, same as Snap-on. The handle is pretty big, but this Facom ratchet is also premium quality. It's made in Taiwan. I guess there's no information where they made it, but it is made in somewhere in China or Taiwan. All those 2 ratchets are made in Germany. All these 4 ratchets are premium brand, and I'm really happy with this ratchet. It's nice to have in my collection. Honestly, I use mostly this ratchet. I try to use different ratchets in different tasks just to get feeling that I have those tools. But I love to work on different ratchets on different jobs usually. But mostly this is the ratchet which I use, or flex head ratchet mostly. But this one is also amazing, and I'm gonna use it a lot in my future project just to feel how it works. And I tell you, this is a really amazing ratchet. It feels heavy duty and robust. No wonder it's from one of the best tool manufacturer of the world. What do you guys think about those comparison, and how you think about the Snap-on ratchet? Those are very expensive. This is the most expensive than the rest. The price is for the branding and the research and development they provide. Well, I end this video here, and what do you guys think about that one? See you later. Thanks for watching.